Baby, the pollen is out and I want to talk about it. Yes, I do. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Sanaya and welcome to Self Love, where everything we teach here is about fruit education, gut health, and meal planning. I am the holistic nutritionist and I assist high achievers on how to master their gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? Stay tuned. All right, so I just want to talk about the pollen. Like I said, the pollen is out and I want to talk about it. Like, I came outside and I was like, oh my gosh, the pollen is back. And everybody literally trips out when the pollen comes back. Why do they trip out? Because they have allergies. Allergies make people miserable. Like, people can't breathe, they sneeze uncontrollably. And I am here to tell you that if pollen is doing that to you, that means that your system is not clean. Pollen doesn't do that to nature. Once again, the garden method. We're going to get into that because the garden method is everything that your body is. You are nature. We are nature. Why you think when you go outside, you come back, you smell like outside? Yes, because you are outside. You are the trees. You are nature. All right, so yes, the pollen. I said this last year and I'm gonna say it again. And I'm probably saying next year and then the year after that. But the pollen is here to help you. The pollen is here to cleanse out your bronchioles, is here to cleanse out your respiratory tract as well as just your nasal passageways because a lot of people breathe it in and say, "Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. Oh my gosh, I'm sneezing. Eyes get puffy." Like the pollen is literally here to save you. When you go into nature, you see bees. What do bees do? Bees thrive off pollen. They take pollen and transfer it to different plants that creates the fruits and the vegetables, the nuts and the seeds and the grains to help our food thrive. So why do you think that the pollen is here to not help you thrive? Why do you think that? Why do you think that? The pollen is here to help all of us thrive together as an ecosystem as a whole. So don't be so ashamed of the pollen. The pollen is not here to make you feel like, oh my gosh, I can't go outside. Clean your system out. Eat like the garden. Eat what grows in a garden. And you will be okay. I promise you. You will be totally okay. It only takes consistency, dedication, and perseverance. And I promise you, you will not have any more instances or just miserable experiences with pollen. Like I got so excited when I walked outside and saw pollen on his car. I said, "Oh my gosh, yo, I'm about to sit out here and breathe. I'ma breathe in this pollen. Why? Because everything else is breathing in this pollen. You see all these animals, these horses got their nose in the hay, in the grass. These cows got their nose in the hay, in the grass, and you don't see them sneezing. You don't see them coughing. You don't see them hogging up anything because pollen is to cleanse inflammation. If you have inflammation in your body, if you have inflammation in your body, the pollen is here to cleanse it out. The pollen is here to let you know where the inflammation lies and where you need to be able to cleanse. But yeah, so yeah, just give the pollen some grace this season. Cause baby, let me tell you, me and the pollen gonna be best friends when it's time to grow this food. The bees and the pollen best friend. Why me the bees and the pollen can't be best friends? Exactly. So yeah, if you like it here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Put on your post notification bells, cause baby, we are on a roll. It's about to be spring. It's like 34 days to the springtime, and we are lit. All right. Yeah. See y'all later. Keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit.